Adrian Simcox tells everyone that he has a horse, but I don't believe him. First of all, Adrian Simcox lives in town, and everyone knows that you can't have a horse in town. It's the most beautiful white horse with a perfect golden mane and the biggest brown eyes you've ever seen. And there they found Adrian Simcox, and Chloe and Chompers understood. He may not have had a horse, but he did have the best imagination of anyone she had ever met. And there he was, where he really didn't want to be, in a house that would never feel like a home, in a school where he didn't know anybody. Worst of all, no friends. Make sure you come home for dinner. Yeah, sure. Be careful when you cross the street. Yeah, sure. Come home before it gets dark. Yeah, sure. Never! Never!
Studying for many years, I had received my first assignment. It's in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. I have to go teach in the Amazon rainforest. Let's go. Teacher, teacher, run, run. We must reach the highlands. The great serpent has awoken and it's coming this way. Run, run.
The man was a seal hunter. He would sell the beautiful seal furs for money. The legend said that the largest of the seals were not seals at all, but were mermen and mermaids. He felt a big hand push him, and suddenly he was flying through the air, and splash! He was floating in the water. But he realized that suddenly he could breathe underwater. And all around the giant hall were seals. And the man was surprised when he looked at his companion, and his companion too had turned into a seal, and even more surprised when he looked down and he too had become a beautiful silver seal.